Hi guys, in this video we'll be learning how to make wheatmeal swallow. Now the ingredients you'll need are whole wheat and water. So to begin, the first step will be to pour the wheat into a grinder, the dry grinder. And then you grind it till smooth. It's best to use a very strong dry grinder for this. As you can see, it's very smooth. Next, you place the pot you'll be using on the burner and pour some water into the pot. Once the water starts to boil, you gently pour in the wheatmeal while stirring consistently to prevent it from forming lumps. So you just keep stirring. You stir, stir, stir.
Taking it in some plastic button.
Next, you add some extra water. We're going to leave this to boil for about 10 minutes on low heat. And once it's ready, you use your wooden spatula to turn it. Yes, it's well cooked right now. Just turn it well. And your wheatmeal swallow is ready. Now I'm going to serve this with okra soup and stew. Time to try it. Mmm, yummy.
If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Until next time, bye-bye.